Hi, today I'm joined by professional fire risk assessor Andy Leather, and we're going to be looking at fire risk assessments, or FRAs, within a church. So Andy, can you tell me what a fire risk assessment actually is?
Sure. A fire risk assessment is a methodical review of a premise, looking at the occupancy, the use and the structure. This will then result in what's generally a written document that is the fire risk assessment.
And who's responsible for carrying out that assessment within the church?
Well, within the legislation, the Regulatory Form Fire Safety Order, there is what's defined as the responsible person. There can be multiple responsible persons, so just keep an eye out for that. However, it is their clear legal duty to conduct a fire risk assessment that must be suitable and sufficient.
Now, on this particular church, you actually carried out the risk assessment as a trained professional, but if someone wanted to carry out their own FRA, would that be possible?
Absolutely, they can if they wish. However, they must make sure they have appropriate training, knowledge and experience. Those are vital to demonstrate competence. Once they have that competence, there's nothing to stop them doing their own fire risk assessment. There are many training courses out there that can be completed, and also there are lots of guidance documents. These guidance documents help you to steer your way through to conducting a fire risk assessment.
Okay, and specifically for churches, what guidance documents are available?
There is Community Local Government, CLG. They produce a series of 12 guides. Within those guides, there are two that are particularly relevant for churches. Place of small to medium assembly, which caters for a building that will hold up to 300 persons. And then there's place of large assembly, which is for greater than 300 persons. There is also one very important piece of guidance, particularly within the church environment, for disability. We must make sure that disabled persons are catered for as well. So it's important that that piece of guidance is used as well.
That's great, Andy. Thank you very much.